We're gonna jump into like another meditation for a second.
Yay!
Give me a ray and a root, so something super positive about life lately.
Had a good week, good co-workers, good environment, people who I can connect with.
I had a really good Thanksgiving with my family.
It's part of it, so I just felt attention.
There's like 4 movies that I watched and they're all fucking good.
Give me something that had you in a low vibration, but like you just want to share it really. So what's the first Thanksgiving I had without them? Take some time, right through it. Yeah. Anybody new wanna start us off?
It doesn't matter.
I struggle with the same way.
Some that way.
I'm not complete ever.
You gotta have the same process. Let me meet somebody new. Let me have a brand new conversation with somebody I never met.
Piggyback
And to add to
off of what you were saying.
Definitely to add to what you were saying.
So I feel you.
It's always like we're ever changing, you know?
Yeah.
Say what's up. No, it's been a while. I've been missing now. I've been gone. You don't see me round. Had to find myself. Now I'm on. I thank you for the time you gave me. Let me grow. You let me be alright. No shit don't always go the way you want, but trust me, it's gonna be alright. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I won't lie, I'm feeling right this time. Might fuck around and freestyle. I don't really wanna write this down. What a life.
Yo, Cindy.
Lit today, lit. Shout out to you.
Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts. Doing what we did in a rush. You know that this kid finna bust. We trustin' in us. If you want that vibe, then that's us. When you see us, say what's up. No, it's been a while. I've been missing now. I've been gone. You don't see me round. Had to find myself. Now I'm on.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everyone who pulled up, for everyone who came through. Literally beyond my wildest dreams. Please hit me up to collab, to connect, to create, to share space. Thank you so much. This was an amazing experience.
Yeah. The tribulations make me wanna write a song about it. Said I need a plan B. I hope that they were wrong about it.